वेलकम चेतन भाई, प्रदीप भाई वेलकम।
અવાજ નથી આવતો. તમારો અવાજ નથી.
Okay, wait a minute. एक मिनट
Yeah, yeah, it is started, boss.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
શું છે? મામા કેમ છે? All
Fine,
well?
fine. All fine.
સરસ.
Mama will join in 2 minutes.
Okay, that's right. Backstage પર છે.
हाँ बस आ रहे थे 2 मिनट में आ गए. Good morning, Pradeep bhai. Yes. Good morning, Satish uncle. I think अभी गए. Yes, sir. Good morning, Satish uncle.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ સતીશભાઈ. યસ પ્રદીપભાઈ, મોર્નિંગ. હાથ નહીં મિલાવી આજે.
Yes, sir. Anand ji, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
આનંદજી, ગુડ
Good morning,
મોર્નિંગ.
everybody.
Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
Sanju is there? Sanju?
મોર્નિંગ.
Hi. Good morning.
संजू आए हैं क्या?
Good morning, Sanjeev bhai.
પ્રેસિડેન્ટ સર, ગુડ મોર્નિંગ.
Good morning.
Good morning to
संजू
all of
आप चालू
you.
कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, we are almost.
ગુડ મોર્નિંગ સર. ભાઈ, ગુડ મોર્નિંગ.
Good morning, dear. Good morning, everybody, sir.
Hi, Samir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi Vijay bhai.
Hi.
Namaste, Kaji, sir.
Very good morning.
Namaste. Thanks.
કાજી સાહેબ હે?
Eh,
સંજીવ
bye-bye.
કાજી સાહેબ હે?
Namaste, Bhabhi ji.
Good morning,
पीछे से
Sanju.
गए तो हाँ नहीं, नमस्ते जी.
Good morning Sanju.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
संजू, I think you can start. Welcome
Come
speaker
on.
for 2 minutes.
Only 12 people have joined, sir.
अच्छा.
13. Now 13.
Yeah, but let's start at 11.
हाँ, तो 12 है, बाद में 2 मिनट होने के बाद आ जाएंगे ना. आप चालू तो करो. वेलकम करने को क्या है?
Hi
Still
Anand.
हाँ,
one more minute
Good
to go,
morning.
sir.
हाँ, 1 more minute. Okay, चलो. Vishal, you are going to control and mute and everything, huh?
Yeah, I'll mute, sir. Only Sanjeev bhai will speak in the beginning.
Hi Evergreen Chetan.
હાય, ગુડ મોર્નિંગ.
It's now 15.
I think it is now 11. Let me start.
Yes.
Hello, everybody. I hope I am audible to you all.
Yes.
Sanjeev
And
ji,
a very
1
best
minute.
morning to everyone.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll just mute everyone, so it will be easier for you to speak. Okay, Sanjeev bhai, you can speak now.
Okay, once again. Hello, everybody. I hope I am audible to you all. Good and a very best morning to everyone. I extend on behalf of Cosma warm welcome to all enthusiasts for making up for this 4th Jube meeting of Cosma. You are all very important for this meeting. Request everyone to take active participation in the meeting. To add little bit to this, whole world is facing uncertain times and challenges. So sharing our thoughts on common platform like this one for common good gives us relief from all negativity around us and adds to our emotional health. Today's topic is how we all can benefit and grow by forming clusters. Anand has done lot of studies on this cluster working. So now I hand over to Anand. Anand, please take forward the agenda of the meeting. Anand, you are
You are audible, Anandji.
Yeah,
You can speak.
Yeah. See, basically the agenda of this today's meeting is how Cosma cluster or Cosma platform can be used to multifold our business. That is the main topic today. So we are Cosma for basically for growing our business. Of course, it is brotherhood is very much important. So I'll directly jump back to our first agenda. That is actually we are control panel manufacturers are working in a same domain. I hope you know the name domain. Domain is the particular area where we work. So we are all members, suppose 350 or 400 or 500 members are working in the same domain and fighting together in the same domain of the customers. So customers are almost all same for all these control panels members. Suppose we want to multifold our business, we will
Yeah, Anandji. I think Anandji lost the connection.
Connection is poor, looks like.
Yeah, Anandji lost the connection, I think.
Come back.
He shall be reconnect any moment.
It's already connected, but he's on mute.
Yeah. Now he-
audible.
Yes, sir. Now he
Audible
can.
now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So so we are in the same domain. So now we have to change the domain. So what we have done is, I see ours is one association. I connected to almost 42 associations in Maharashtra. See, these 42 associations are different industrial estates or industrial zones, which are having their own associations and their own domains. Now they working in their domains, 42 domains in Maharashtra. Now I am connecting all presidents and secretary of these domains, that means that associations, and our Cosma will be at the center of this 42 associations. So we will be like a sun, and these are the satellites you can consider. All are connected to Cosma. Now these associations presidents and secretary, I am giving membership to Cosma. So whenever they come, whenever our seminars are there, they will be invited, and we are getting connected to different domains. What type of different domains? It is leather, it is pharma, then food. A lot of other domains are there where we are not at all working. So we can get the business out of that particular 42 different associations. And say for an example, in Ambernath, I have connected. I have talked to additional Ambernath Manufacturers Association having 850 industries. 25 of them are exporters, multinationals. 125 are the exporters, and rest are all other factories. 850 industries I have connected to Cosma in the first stage. Second stage, there is a solar association in Pune having 400 solar manufacturers from small to big. I have director I have talked to and connected to Cosma. So one by one, I am getting connected to all associations. So our association will be association of associations. Also, there is one association that is COSIA. COSIA is the apex body of association. I have taken membership of this COSIA also for Cosma. So automatically, I am getting connected to all associations. So now here onwards, we will have around 10,000 industries, big and small, connected to Cosma, and Cosma is at the center. So this is the first thing. So you are exposed to very big business by connecting to the associations. Now this is only in Maharashtra. So after Maharashtra, I'm getting connected to Karnataka and all states. So basically, thing is that we are going to connect associations instead of directly connecting to the members of that association. So whatever the information they are having, we'll get that information. Our information will go to their go to them. So this is the basic theme I am having, and this is I'm working on very forcefully, and it is on halfway stage. So our all Cosma members will be benefited and will get exposed to all these members, around 10,000 to I don't know, maybe 50,000 customers. One tenth of them are very big customers. So this is the first thing I'm going to do. Second thing is a very important thing. It is a Cosma Union. It's again a new concept. See, basically, I'm talking about India, and in India, we are doing so. These multiple domains will be in India. So now there is still very big domain, say 100 times domain outside India, but anybody directly cannot export the panel or export our components or export our switchgear to other countries, because it is very difficult and it is expensive also. So we propose uh, some minimum quantity of quality personnel, quality members. That quality will be checked by some other means. Will form a Cosma Union. So this Cosma Union will present themselves to other countries. Just like suppose in Austria or Czechoslovakia, they have got one brand, particular brand. Under that brand, there are some united companies or union of the companies. They present by that union to all the complete world. So Cosma Union will present these Cosma members to all over the world. They take, suppose there is, suppose your capacity is only 50 crores, but the order in export zone is suppose 1000 crores. So 1000 crores order will come to, or requirement will come to the Cosma Union. That will be distributed between the 10 different members under Cosma Union, and they can take the orders unitedly. So this is the basic concept of Cosma Union for export. Then third point is made in Cosma. It's a different thing again. It's a different concept again. That so when we call it is made in Japan. When we call made in Japan, we have got some different picture in front of us. तो जापान का कंपनी है ना, अच्छा ये तो मिनिमम क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड रहेगा. तो जापान का प्रोडक्ट रहेगा तो दे वी कंसीडर एज इक्वली. जापान प्रोडक्ट बोलेगा तो चलो ये जापान का प्रोडक्ट है. जर्मनी का प्रोडक्ट बोलेगा तो हाँ अच्छा जर्मनी का ये तो ये मिनिमम क्वालिटी रहेगा. तो मेड इन जापान इज अ ब्रांड, मेड इन जर्मनी इज अ ब्रांड, और व्हाटएवर इट मे बी. So what we want to do is we want to make a brand made in Cosma. So what is made in Cosma? Made in Cosma is, see, we will have again members which can fit into this made in Cosma. Let's say they are having CE approval or all ISC standard followed. One by one, we are going to add these two made in Cosma. If all are included, fine. So whenever we go to any public limited company, we'll present made in Cosma. So when we go to made in when we go to 156 PSU, see basically what is PSU? Public limited company. अभी हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं तो हर एक आदमी कम से कम 2-3 पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. नाउ ये पब्लिक लिमिटेड के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, उनके पास बाकी के तो 150 एक्सपोज नहीं है. तो दैट बिजनेस दे आर लूजिंग. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट इज टू बी डन? तो इसके लिए हम लोग ये सब पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी जो है उनके परचेस है, उनके जो परचेस का पूरा डिपार्टमेंट है, वी आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट अवरसेल्फ एज Cosma, made in Cosma. So when we present ourselves as a made in Cosma, they will know yes, these people are having some minimum quality standard. So they are confident about that minimum quality standard, and whenever the requirement is being generated, it is floated to all Cosma members. So whoever wants to quote, they will quote. So instead of going us to them, that 156 PSUs will come to our platform, our website platform, to say कि हमको ये requirement है. और हम लोग जब इनके पास जाएंगे इसका requirement लेके, बोलेगा तो उसका quotation लेके, तो they have got a standing made in, अच्छा made in ये है Cosma है, तो they have got some minimum standard. तो बाकी Cosma के बाहर लोग रहेंगे उनको अलग ट्रीटमेंट रहेगी, और हम लोग जो रहेंगे उसको एक अलग ट्रीटमेंट रहेगी. तो ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है अपने को पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनीज के पास बिजनेस करने के लिए. तो अब तक 3 हम लोग चीज बात किए. वन इज दैट associations of association. So we are going out of our domain, out of our shell, to get involved to pharma, food, leather, or much more bigger companies will get the orders. Stainless steel है, marine है, lot many orders are there, defense है, railway है, काफी अलग अलग डोमेन्स है, उसमें हम लोग जाने वाले हैं एसोसिएशन के एसोसिएशन का. सेकंड पॉइंट हम लोग बात किया कॉस्मा यूनियन का, that is for exports. Of course, that is a multiple possibility. And third, we are discussing made in Cosma culture to public limited companies. Now, fourth is public limited companies. तो ये जो चार है हमारा बिजनेस मल्टीपल करने के लिए हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. तो Cosma is working for all these four, and we are really struggling hard to put this to a single platform. And your suggestions of course are welcome. इसके बाद में जो मैं बीच में एक स्टोरी लिखा था, आपको मालूम है कि नहीं, आपने पढ़ा कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो. इट्स अ कॉस्मा क्लस्टर इनसाइड स्टोरी. तो जो 2% हम लोग जो ब्रदरहुड का बात कर रहे थे, तो उसमें जो शेयरिंग है, दैट प्लेटफॉर्म, शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, मिक्स एंड मैच, तो उसके लिए वी आर डेवलपिंग वन सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म, and it is in the way. और उसमें एक सीधा साधा चीज रहेगा कि सपोज एक मैं छोटा एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि सपोज संजीव इज हैविंग सपोज इन्वेंट्री, or anybody is having any inventory, much inventory which is there for 12 months or 13 months, and there is a person in that particular अपना cluster में एक आदमी है, उसको वही मटेरियल चाहिए. he put that particular requirement on our chatting platform. उसको 10% से मिल रहा है क्योंकि उसका क्वालिटी ये कम है बहुत, क्या उसका रिक्वायरमेंट कम है, लेकिन संजू के पास बहुत पड़ा है. तो he will share that particular, he will get the liquidity, he will get the money immediately, and he will get the small person will get the material. तो ये सब जो मैं ऑलरेडी लिखा था आप स्टडी कीजिए बाद में. तो ये मेरा लास्ट वाला जो पॉइंट था वो सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म का था, क्योंकि ये सब और वो वेबसाइट से अलग प्लेटफॉर्म है, तो उस पर हम लोग वर्किंग कर रहे हैं. ये टोटल 5 जो चीज है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसका इलेबोरेशन जो है वो चाहिए तो मैं बाद में टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में दे सकता हूँ आपको. तो मेरा बेसिक ये 5 पॉइंट था और इसके बारे में मुझे आज डिस्कस करने का था, और ये खाली हेडिंग्स है, डिटेलिंग वी कैन डू लेटर. तो अभी विशाल, माय पॉइंट्स आर ओवर, यू कैन टर्न द माइक टू अदर्स.
Okay, sir.
You can unmute.
I'll unmute everyone. So yeah, all are unmuted. So if anybody would like to share anything.
Anybody wants to ask any questions, you can ask the questions. And this is for marketing. This is for increasing. Yes.
Mr. Anandji, good morning.
बोलो ना.
It's a very good development from your end. Actually, I appreciate your effort. The first in the Cosma, I would like to raise one issue. As you mentioned, the quality made in Cosma. Hello.
Pardon
Yeah,
me?
you can. Uday bhai, go ahead.
बोलो.
Okay. Made in Cosma, you have mentioned one point actually. The first among the Cosma members, we should have an quality policy.
Yes.
We have to introduce.
Yes.
The first and foremost, begin with all the Cosma members should have an quality policy. The basic, the quality should maintain as a Cosma member. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear?
Yes.
Hello.
So
that's what my point is, to start with the basic quality policies of all the Cosma members.
Desai ji, as per you,
so for that,
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. Sanju ji.
as per you, what are those qualities should be? Maybe
Okay.
about
See,
3-4
the
you
quality
can
policies
highlight.
means the first is the fabrication quality and makes what we are using as a Cosma board have to approval certain makes which has to be used by all the COSMA members, and it could be even small also. It should be approved by our the COSMA board. We should form one board actually, and all the makes will be approved by COSMA board. See, that is a point actually, sir. And some the standards as defined by COSMA board and the committee, so we have to follow all the standards. The starts with the basic actually. There is one format has to be formed by committee. And it should be circulated to all the members. Everyone start following the quality policies.
You mean to say common quality policy for everyone?
Yes, sir. It having the strength that the made in COSMA, then slowly upgrade to the international level. All the CE approvals, so whatever the international needed, some again the quality that has to be added, and it should help to all the COSMA members who doesn't have such kind of the facilities. We have to explore such the qualities and make sure that all the panel builder should have such qualities. Then it will help to share the orders also. Then it will match all the qualities with all the members. And each member, the panel builder will get benefited.
But association has to treat all members as equal, you know.
Because
yes. Everybody may not be able to migrate to the level of quality standards expected. We as a benchmark for selling the order.
Yeah, that's what. Start with the basic qualities. Basic quality policy, we should adopt it.
Because if you make certain things, so some small will be left away. Then they will move away from the association.
Yeah, that's what my point is. That only, sir. Sanju ji, aap theek bola actually. See, my point is that we have to grow together. See, that is the first quality policy will be a basic one actually. The next, it should applicate it should affect to all the members. Then all will come together.
Now, our industry is is a mixture of even 1 crore turnover to 100, 200 crore turnover like that. So
yes, I agree.
There's a bigger challenge. It is not that you are making certain pressure vessel or something like that. You have something, lift is there, crane is there, big infrastructure is there, everything is there. Here, one junction box is also called control panel. 1 2 crore worth panel is also called a control panel.
Yes, agree.
How to match the quality requirement at 1 crore level to 100 crore or 200 crore level,
See, Sanjeev ji, here the turnover will not matter here. The quality of the panel matters here. See, suppose I am doing a 50 crore panel, you may be doing a 100 crore panel actually. The quality should be equal. Turnover doesn't matter here. The quality of the panel should be equal. See, what the Sanju is making the quality, what the Uday Desai is making the quality, it should be equal. And certain the quality policy, we have to start with that.
Yeah, I think possibly what we can do here is that we should just define minimum quality norms.
Yeah, that's what the minimum quality policy, we have to start with that. Maybe a bus bar quality, or maybe a wire quality, maybe the ferruling the quality actually, and maybe a using of the lux qualities, and maybe a switchgear quality is certain approved by COSMA committee, and that one. We should not simply use some other make available in the market. That should not be acceptable. Correct, na?
Yeah.
There are some spurious the material also be available in the market.
Yeah.
So that should not be used.
So if I may sort of pitch in here,
yes,
while the thought is a very good thought, to implement it across the various kinds of panel builders, it would be a definite challenge. However, the importance of quality is certain that we all have to respect and take our organization towards higher and higher levels of quality. May I request all those of you who are talking to mute yourselves? There seems to be quite a bit of disturbance. All right. I'd like to share how this is done. This was done by the Panel Builder. There was a magazine called the Panel Builder, and it was from UK. And this is what they did. Like how we have the Cosma Gaurav and all these various Cosma Ratna awards, etc. They divided the whole community into 3 categories. Just to give you an idea, in India, we can look at it as panel builders within 20 crores of turnover. Second category, panel builders above 20 crores of turnover. And third category, panel builders who are in the system integration and automation business. So, now, when we divide the entire panel building community into these 3 categories, then we form a quality audit team. And before we, create this kind of a competition, circulate to the members what is the criteria which each one of them will have to meet with respect to Uday Desai said, the quality of wiring, the quality of bus bar, the quality of so on and so forth. We can have a complete list. Then and then these would have to be differently judged for a panel builder below 20 crores, the panel builder above 20 crores, and it's going to be again quite different for a automation oriented panel builder. So then once this audit happens, then the full day is or whatever amount of time is required is dedicated to each panel builder. The results are then collated, and then the committee decides on who is the winner in each category. Then, like how we have a grand, meeting for declaring the Cosma Ratna and Cosma Gaurav, etc. We could have this meeting wherein we invite all the panel builders, and then the quality audit team goes on stage and explains as to what made this panel builder deserve this award, and with videos of the audit and various explanations given by the owner and various innovations which was done by the panel builder. So this is declared to the entire fraternity, so that each one is able to benefit from how this panel builder has thought differently or has built in certain standards which are really emulation worthy, and how everyone else should also probably think in terms of following the same path. Now this would set once this kind of banding is done, or rather a declaration of qualification is done, then he could put that in his letterhead like Cosma Star or whatever we would call it, and then that would sort of make the other panel builders also want to do something in this area. And then when we repeat this year after year after year, then we are slowly building a culture. Acha, this is the way Cosma people think. And then everybody sort of tends to get aligned with this thinking, and this will permeate into the society, saying that ha, ye to made in Cosma hai. Then things will start happening. Is my
Hello.
Yes, this I go ahead.
No, your voice is breaked in between. No, it is a good. Yes. I really appreciate your the thought actually. The same culture slowly we have to start building in our the Cosma actually.
Exactly.
Slowly, the step by step we have to start in that actually. Not because your thoughts it is a very high end level actually. The begin with small way actually we can start with which should help to all the panel builder, whether it may be a 10 crore or a 20 or a 100, whatever it may be. Our first the motto is to take all the people together and then grow together. That is the point he is here actually. Yes, Sanju ji.
Rahul, extend the time.
Yes, anybody's their view, sir, please. Yes, Vijay ji.
So today's meeting is a step in that direction.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good, sir. Very good.
Yes.
Super, super.
So should we continue?
Yeah.
Continue.
Vijay sir, आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं?
Hello.
Your this thing is mic is
Same
muted,
username,
sir,
password. You continue.
No, the Zoom has come forward to extend the time indefinitely for us. They do this once
Okay.
in a way, so it will not get cut, so we can continue, no issue.
So
please.
in this,
No, Vijay ji, आपका mic mute है, sir.
hello.
Oh, okay.
Now
Hello.
audible. Yes,
Yeah.
now audible.
So one good thing that so many suggestions came in, what should be done? Various different things about the quality, etc. Now there are two major questions: who and how. All these points, who will sum them up? Who will frame this whole spec sheet? And then how it will be passed down to all the members who are manufacturing different types of panels or whatever it is. Whether the panel board manufacturer is a 1 crore panel builder or he is a 100 crore panel builder, the spec will remain same for certain activities.
Yes,
So
yes.
all these
Very-
what's, who will first frame it from the Cosmo Brotherhood? Some people will have to come in, and how it will be done and how it will be passed on to all the members. And after having been implemented, how it will be validated by the board to qualify the member to be a COSMA member. This is my question or suggestion.
No, very good, sir. Actually, as you said, actually, we have to form the committee
Yes.
for quality assess.
Okay, let us put it first. Instead of quality, let us call it specs.
Okay,
You will have to make specs.
the
And
quality
once those-
specification.
Validation of those specs, whether these things
Yes.
have been done or not. So
Yes.
there will have to be the board or some members who will have to assess this.
Yes. So you mean to say that first freeze the specification of the qualities?
And who will be the members
Yes.
to do this?
No. We should form a committee for this.
Yes.
All experience, all senior the people, and those are in the COSMA. They can be the part of the committee, and then form the
Yes.
specification, which has to be internally circulated to all the members.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm happy to volunteer to being part of this committee, and I would also request Uday Desai, who is quite an expert on software, to see if he can bring in a software angle to this also.
Yes,
if
very
we are
much.
able to create what is the industry standard as far as panel building quality is concerned, starting
Yes.
from fabrication to powder coating to bus bar work to power wiring to control wiring to the various nuances of internal inspection to routine testing and to
Yes.
how to receive the customer for final inspection, and then how do you follow it up with the complete documentation which is required to be
Yes,
done,
yes.
as far as the switchboard is concerned. So, and if we can put all this in a software, in fact,
Yes.
if we go into Woner.de website, they have a very beautiful software tool, which of course is very specific to their products. But if we can develop it specific to the switchboard industry, then when we declare that our switchboard is 65K 4000 amps switchboard, then it automatically, once you put in all the parameters like what is the bus bar size, what is the bus bar support to bus bar support distance, so on and so forth, the number of parameters. As you fill it in, it gives you the entire calculation and says that this main bus bar will take so many amps. This main bus bar will be able to withstand so much of fault level. So it's a very beautiful concept. And once you fill in all the data sheets, then it gives you a PDF file where it can be directly presented to the customer. So these are certain standards. If introduced to the panel builder, it will make his life very easy. And the end client will also be getting the guarantee that once this goes through, let's say, the Cosma software, and the output of that gives a certain reliability to the end user that yes, all the parameters of safety, even you can say as per IEC 61439, has been properly taken care of. So it is a question of applying thought, applying one's experience to what can be defined as a good switchboard, and if that can benefit the larger community of panel builders, so why not? Cosma is ultimately meant for improving the quality of switchboard manufacturing as a collective group. So yeah, can be done. If
Yes.
people can volunteer, it'll be great.
Yes. Yes.
We can-
Yes, Vijay.
Yes.
Vijayji.
What Mr. Ramani enumerated, that's the perfect thing. And as a matter of fact, I have a suggestion that one of our Cosma members, Mr. Ashok Kushawa, who's not at present in this meeting, Iconic, he has already done this exercise, which Mr. Ramani will endorse. And he has already done this control panel manufacturing, the software and the activities that should be done. He's Mr. Ashok Kushawa of Iconic.
Yes. We know personally him actually.
Yeah. Ashok is more into your
Engineering.
switchboard estimation and engineering package.
Engineering package.
I don't think he has a quality oriented package. A quality oriented package will have to be developed in what I am aware of, and once done, it will be great.
As
E-plan
Mr.
is also-
Vijayji told me, the quality specification. First, we have to define the quality specification.
We can ask for some more volunteers.
Yes.
I would suggest one more name, Rakesh Javeri of Zenith. His
Yes.
product is considered as very good quality product.
Yes.
Is Rakesh in?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Rakesh.
Yeah. I'm here. I'm listening.
So Rakesh,
Yeah. I'm listening. Yeah, Mr. Ramani. Yeah, I'm listening.
Yes.
Development is good. Yeah.
That's fine, but
we need to be on-
what about participation?
There
the
are
thing
many.
See, the thing is, this quality aspects, the ISO is come in picture because of the quality only. See, now in India, TU is there, BVQI is there. Those people are there for the quality. Now, this is the one step we are going ahead, that we have got, say, this BVQI, TV, whatever people are there, they are basically not from the control panel manufacturing field. But as far as Cosma is there, they are the masters of control panel manufacturing. Whoever are sitting here in Cosma, we can say all are having mostly 15 years, 20, 25 years of experience. So this is a good step ahead if we go ahead with the quality standards. Because the customers always look for the quality. Nobody buys a panel of worst quality. But sometimes what happens, due to the people are not much aware. Rather, suppose if 1 crore panel manufacturer is there, he is not aware about the quality standards, and then he throws away the price. And sometimes what happens that the good panel manufacturer, good quality panel manufacturer doesn't get the order. So if we establish certain things, so that price difference also can be bring into picture. That all people will be of the same price, and whoever is the best in everything will get the order. Because this quality is a very vague in panel industry. If you see, sometimes clients are asking that people are giving 20% cheaper, 30% cheaper, and the good panel manufacturer can't grab the order. Why it is happening? It is happening because of the quality standards. So this is a good step ahead if we are bringing in a Cosma culture, a good quality culture, then yes, it will be a good step ahead. In the maybe it will take time, maybe 5 years, 7 years. It is not that in 1 year it will happen. It's a slow process. But yes, Mr. Ramani, whatever he said about UK and all, that is the right thing. And if we can proceed further, it is a good step ahead.
No, no. Now I am remembering our award function. Mr. Gopalji Kabra has mentioned, point out, rather than L1, L2, we have to be Q1, Q2.
Yeah, automatically it will be. See, if all are at par, then it is automatically going to Q1, Q2, and L1, L2 will be a very marginal difference.
Correct.
But today, we are finding in the competition that somebody is quoting maybe 15%, 20% lower, and then sometimes we are finding how it is possible. So such type of things can be bring into picture that if all qualities are as per the Cosma standards and people are in line, and customer is having more faith on Cosma.
We have to adopt the international standard. We have to specify the standard that we are adopting, and Mr. Ramani is right. The assessment whether this is being met, the standard is being met or not, to make it easy, we develop the software so that we can assess at a given time whether this is being met through audit process, which is software will help. But fundamentally, you have to specify the standard, that this is the standard we all will live by, and these are the people who are following that standard. That has to be brought from the international existing documentation rather than recreating something which already exists.
Yes.
See, this is why this IEC has come into picture. Why people are now insisting on IEC, because they wanted something on international standard. Because the thing is, the people, the CPRI was there. Okay, now CPRI testing, whatever that 863 was there. But now IEC is now it has come in picture because of that only, that people come to that standard. But still we are finding that maybe in IEC standard only 20-30% projects are coming up. Still 60-70% are not lined up with IEC standards. Maybe in future it will come up. But I think Cosma also can do something in value addition to this. That okay, if whatever panels are not IEC manufactured, but those are also can be taken care into IEC standards, as per IEC standards.
What I can propose, also is that if we as panel manufacturers, switchboard manufacturers, we propose such a standard, then we can take it even to the authorities later on and say, please recognize that Cosma recommends this is the standards we as switchboard manufacturers give as our recommendation, that these should be followed, so that the buyer also is made sensitized to the fact that he must buy a product from a manufacturer who is meeting those. That way, this problem of L1 and undercutting and making substandard product, that will be reduced.
Yes, absolutely.
So coming back, we want more volunteers, at least 2 more. Sriram, can you join as a volunteer?
Yes, sir.
For this company?
Yes,
Yeah,
I'll join, sir.
Yes, we will have Ramani, then we will have Desai, we will have Sriram, and we will have Rakesh Javeri. Is it fine?
It's fine.
I would also, I'm Shakir Mira.
No, some more people like Zaveri is, the experience matters here actually, and some more people can join. We can have at least 10 people the committee we can form, and the draft the specification, everything, and finalize it. Then we'll circulate to all the members.
I would like to sign up for being a volunteer in this effort.
Oh, great. Thanks.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Anand ji.
मैं तो रहूंगा ही. I am the founder of Made in Cosma.
No, that's not
always
you are one of the pillar, boss.
So definitely I am always there. I will organize everything for all these people. So
and our president Saab and chairman Saab.
We are default supporter for everything.
So
Supporter
Sanjay
as
ji
a
will be there.
standard creator.
So one more, so I also suggest there will be somebody from component manufacturing side also.
Yes.
So because all standards
Yeah,
are
yeah.
also there.
Yes, yes, yes.
Component
That is.
So we have
Yes,
two
yes.
eminent people here, Samir Kaji and Vijay Bhai. Both of them can be on the committee.
Well, the thing is that, you know, when we're talking of switchboards, we will not be related, at least I will not be related to the audit or the, I can be, everybody can do everything, but the people who have experience in that subject are far better than somebody new trying to learn the standards of panel manufacturing and things like that. I'm more than happy to contribute in every which way I can, but I'm not qualified for this.
He said, don't make me panel builder. Don't add to the competition.
I have a suggestion. I have a suggestion.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
There are two gentlemen. One is Mr. Dhananjay Kudalkar of ex-Siemens. He is now associated with Chavre Engineers. He is very much a very intelligent person in this technology and everything, having vast experience of Siemens. Then other gentleman is, I had recommended this name to Mr. Ramani. Mr. Satyendra, I don't know whether you have been able to contact him.
No, not
He
yet.
has very, how do you say, intense experience of this. He has been in the process of validation through so many international certifying bodies. So if he's also made a member, he will be an appropriately perfect kind of a person on this kind of a board.
Super, super.
Well,
Yes,
well,
this is a
man.
good suggestion. See, this is a good suggestion. See, we being a competitor or we cannot be we in this one neutral person is required. So this whatever name he has suggested, Mr. Kudalkar, I know him personally. He is very knowledgeable person of Siemens, ex-Siemens, and I think if such people are there on the board or other in the for quality standards, then it will really lift up the moral of the people, and they will really give good suggestions to improve, and they'll be neutral also. See, we have to see that people are neutral as far as the quality is concerned. See, if I am the quality standard, I always tell to the customer, I am the best quality manufacturer, and if I downgrade others, then it has got no meaning that I am in the panel.
Yes, yes, Rajesh ji,
I am
आप
in the board.
ठीक
So some neutral
है.
person is required.
Yes, couple of neutral person is required.
Yeah.
So what I think is that in setting the IEC standard we need or the specifications, everybody can be involved as a committee, and the audit team has to be separate.
Correct.
Development of the audit team is the committee's responsibility.
Perfect. There are also two more people who come to my mind. One is that gentleman who participated in the from ABB. What's his name? Kuril. So Dev Chandra Kuril is quite knowledgeable in IEC standards, and Anilash, some such name in Schneider. He's from the the IEC standard. He gave a talk recently. So these people are pretty much clued in terms of how exactly the standards will need to be followed. So we could probably rope them in also. So what we need is, at this point of time, it's really not about competition, but I would say the biggest competitors will have to come together to lay out the uniformity in the standards which we all will need to follow. As Samir Saab said, the question of neutrality will come into picture only when we come to the audit phase, and there we certainly have to ensure that we have a neutral person coming in.
Yeah.
Wow, one more, Mr. Ramani sir. We met in Mumbai. One person you have introduced me that day from L&T.
Who?
So see, for the audit
Yes. Bharat, there's a person by name Bharat in L&T. He was also in charge of the laboratory, and he was in charge of doing all the type testing for L&T. Yes, he is also
because he is now the freelancer actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
So for the audit situation, I think that all the companies who choose to get audited must be paying for this audit, which means
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah. It is must. Whatever the expenses are there, they have to bond the expenses. All the companies.
and the people whom we designate or not designate, but we select from the outside freelancers or whomever we are now speaking impartial people, they will be paid a fee for this work on assignment basis, and every company that registers for getting itself audited with the score that comes out of it will pay for that service. So this is the way by which it can actually be implemented.
Absolutely. And the grand finale, when we have the number of switchgear companies which will come forward to host the meeting, it would really be easy to get hosts is also what I feel.
So that once the audit results are out, it is not only who comes first or second or who wins the prize which is important, but I think everybody who made the cut have to be announced.
Yes, of course.
Yes, yes, this is a good idea actually, because what happened that price variation is very huge in our panel industry. It is better to sell a TV or a fridge or a calculator or mobile phones, but it is very difficult to sell control panels because the price variation is very huge. So with this concept, yes, that also can be bring into that price, whatever variation is there, and customer is always confused to whom to go ultimately. So this is a better idea, so that all quality people will be there on the platform, and those will be eligible for good projects.
Yes.
I want to assign a homework to everybody to implement this. I need at least 10 points from each participating members. How we have to implement that? How we have to make a workable solution as an associate? Individually, we might think something and do all this, but how to implement? What are the points really needed to be implemented?
Yes.
See, the thing is, we have to frame work the specification, and then, as you said, neutral auditors will be there. Those will be visiting the factory, giving the report that this is the improvement it is required. Once it is fulfilled, and those will be neutral auditors. So then, once it is fulfilled, and then the certificate will be given. Okay, this is the COSMA approved quality panel manufacturer. That also can be done in the. Maybe it will take time, but this will be a good suggestion that COSMA specifications are there. Auditors are there, and there will be a gradual checking. Maybe every year, every 2 years, we will frame the audits, and then the COSMA will give the certificate. It is a good quality panel manufacturer, and this we have to, as a COSMA, we have to see that all auditors are neutral. If somebody is coming knowledgeable person to my factory and does the audit, I am ready at present, because I want that yes, my quality standard should be as per the international standard. Then only I'll be able to survive in future.
So you see, the main thing is the audit process has to be made. While we make specifications will be as per IEC, but the audit process, whether you do it as a hard situation or a software, but that will determine the scores. It's not a matter of somebody saying it's okay or it's not okay. It has to be documented as a data, and then it becomes valid. Otherwise, it's difficult. It will again bring in personalized. You know, a person might be impersonal, but there is always personal in everything. You know, so we have to focus on the process of the audit, which is very important.
Documentation, I think, is most important in this.
Documentation is also there, but then actual practical quality. See, now for me now, see, TUV audit is going on, but at the end of the TUV audit, I am not that happy about my whatever they come and they do audit in whatever 2 days or 3 days. The thing is, this audit will be a total technical audit, that whether whatever CRCT is using proper or not, whether busbar quality is good or not, whether wiring quality is good or not. Everything will be taken care as far as the panel point of view, not as a general point of process, or as a general paperwork point of view. Paperwork also will be involved, but the thing is process-wise, whether these people are giving at the best or not. That is the main thing. Practical, practical product quality-wise.
There are two aspects of it. One is system audit, which means this manufacturing company is capable of doing this job. Two, product audit. These are two things that we go with it.
I think we have got some guideline for committee. Now let us decide the date for first meeting of the committee. Anand?
Anand?
Hello?
Anand ji?
Sanjeev, the committee can meet on Zoom.
We can meet, but we have to do a lot of homework and then meeting.
Yeah. It is not that easy. It is a lot of homework is required.
Just meeting.
Why this principle of TUE, rather this ISO has come? Why this IEC has come? Because there was no body available in India who can certify these technical products. So this is general people have come now. TUE, okay, as a process system wise it is okay, but what about going into depth of the panel subject? That nobody has come to. That's why we are following up this whatever that other standards, and then we are showing that okay, my panel is tested so, and we are giving the products.
The both documentation as well as the technical.
Yeah, technical has to be established.
Yes. So once the technical is through, automatically the documentation will come in picture, sir. Actually.
Yeah.
So you see,
it's a good suggestion actually.
For technical matters, if you want to engage an outside agency, one has to go to a technical agency, maybe like a UL or somebody, who may have the standards following capability, who all the time work with the standards. And the specialists within that space can be brought on board for the product part of it.
The thing is, right, my suggestion is now, as he said, Mr. Kudalkar is like that, maybe 4 or 5 people who are knowledgeable and very experienced in panel industry, who has really worked on the panels for testing and everything. Now even Mr. Ramani is also there now, that he is a knowledgeable person. But if we want, okay, that outsiders are to be engaged, then it's the best thing, because UL and other standards again, then it's it will go on a different track. If we have to go with the hardcore people who has really worked with the Indian industry and they knows what are the problems Indian industry is facing. And according to that, yes, these are the things you have to follow. And like termination part. Now termination, very majority are finding that terminals are termination on the termination it is burning, or maybe faults are occurring. So those type of things they can take care.
No, my this thing is we can bifurcate first the domestic and the international. Those who are at par with the international quality, they can proceed of getting approval from UL or CA or whatever actually. And the first is to take all the even the small builders also. That is the idea behind is.
What I mean is not get it approved by UL. I'm saying take their expertise, let them have a seminar, call some expert from that body who is used to these standards, so that he takes a seminar for COSMA, explains how to take this, how to do the implementation of the standard, so that even some of the people who are experts, sometimes experts are experts, they know intrinsically, but following a system and following the standard to make sure that it is properly assessed, that those people are used to doing. I don't know if we can get hold of them, but at least as a training process, so that we know what we are doing properly. The process.
Yeah, that is a good suggestion. Yeah.
I'm talking about process setting. I'm not talking for actual execution.
Correct. That kind of seminar has to be conducted.
My personal feeling is that, like Vijay, there is a system audit and there is a product audit. Now, the question is whether we should be focusing on both system audit and product audit, or should we just focus on product audit? Should we alternatively bring in what percentage of focus on system audit and product audit? Because people like Dhananjay and MG Satyendra and all, and even Kuril for that matter, they would all probably be product specialists. Now, if we try to bring in system also here, then it will go off at a tangent. You know, we'll go off to 5S, we'll go to 8W, we'll go into lean manufacturing, agile manufacturing, so on and so forth, which is kind of a knowledge of general nature, which is available in the marketplace from several institutions, like you yourself mentioned, Mr. Samir, about UL. There is also in Bangalore an organization called SA Teroka, who do a lot of good work in this direction. But as panel builders and as COSMA, I feel that we have to be focused on very specific to panel builders, very specific to like how our Zenith Saab said about your terminations. You know, the importance of the termination, like that. There are so many aspects to be looked into from a busbar angle. Power wiring, control wiring, enclosure manufacturing, so many aspects to be looked into. I feel that, you know, at least 80% we have to focus on the product audit and probably 20% on the system audit.
Yes, that is true. That is true.
So I agree with you. See, there is one thing related to process. Like, I don't know in the panel industry whether there is a body that defines process. Like in the electronic industry, we have what is called the IPC standards. And there is a body that is called IPC body that is governing all the way in which the electronic manufacturing, soldering joints and the connections happen. Whether there is anything like that in the panel industry, I don't know, but that's the kind of body that would be able to help on the process side.
No, no, I don't
those
think
standards.
No, no, in panel industry, no such this thing, sir.
Guidelines are there.
So that's a good opportunity for COSMA to be in that.
Yes, sir. So first of all, Satish sir, first of all.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, this is Sriram Joshi. Good morning. Yeah, so first of all, I've heard all the communication. So first of all, we will have to make some basic standard guidelines or technical what do you call specifications, quality measures. So our panels will have to be above that. That we will first of all we will have to take it out. As said in the meeting or in the committee, we will have to point out that if we comply these basic things, you know, that our panels will be, say, in COSMA or bottom by COSMA, as you have said. But for that, we will have to take out the points that our panel should not have all these things, or should have a basic busbar to support distance or the material distance. That we will have to first regularize, rather.
That's what I have mainly pointed out initially. The basic, the basic quality policy we have to add.
Yes.
Whether the panel builder manufactures 10 panels in a year or 1,000 panels in a year.
And it is not related to the turnover. It is
turnover is not a matter here. Whether he manufactures one panel, he should have this quality.
And so let's Sriram talk to that.
Yeah. So along with that, I just want to that we can make a table on that. From fabrication point of view, bus wiring, power wiring, control wiring, then say capacitor power wire, you know, type of for the particular KVR, which wire has to be, which type of lux to be used. We can make a table or a summary on that, and we can support to the every panel manufacturer, which can be kept in a tabular form or a printout or at the actual shop floor also, so that complete quality can be made better even at the shop floor. And after the guidelines are made, then audit will be the second part of that. But first, let us put out the minimum quality requirement or minimum standards or fabrication standards which we have to follow.
You even make of the switchgear also, sir.
Right. So
make of the materials, make of the component.
That is basically determined by the customers, na?
Yeah.
What they want.
So,
No, even basic, sir. Basic make no.
Miscellaneous components you want to say.
Huh.
CTBTs and other things.
No, even including the wire also, it should not be a very low quality wires. That
Yeah,
there
so
are
we'll
10
only specify the specifications, Uday. We cannot go into the names of and makes of the
Right, right.
components. So we'll not get to where the makes are, but we'll go into where the specifications are.
Yes, that's
true. I'm reminded about the brief period of time when I was doing a subcontract for GE Power Controls in Bangalore. And so they would give to all the panel builders their quality standards. And those quality standards were so beautifully written out by GE. And it has slowly got into the quality standards of my company as well. Similarly, I feel that we can first approach people like L&T, ABB, Schneider, and other big names, even large panel builders like Marine Electricals perhaps, or Tricolite, and I'd like to share with Cosma their quality processes. To share with Cosma what is it that they do in inward inspection, process inspection, final inspection, and then we collate. Like in my company also, we have checklists for every stage of manufacturing. Fabrication, after fabrication, before powder coating, there is a checklist. After powder coating, before assembly, there is a checklist. After assembly, before busbar assembly, there is a checklist. After bus, and then power wiring, there is a checklist. Like that, we can collate the different checklists from different manufacturers, and then evolve what would work for standardizing it across the country. So standardizing a particular process, and believe me, smaller panel builders who probably have not applied their mind enough in the direction of such quality approaches, they will benefit hugely. And this is where I think it was Samir who mentioned that we could actually charge the panel builders for getting into this qualification methodology. It would it'll be well worth the amount of money each panel builder pays, because the kind of learning he would get out of this will be amazing. And especially if Uday or somebody would be able to help us put it into a software approach.
Yes.
And if on an iPad, for example, you can go near each panel and then close in on each point on the checklist, it would automatically bring in a culture in the manufacturing processes across panel builders in India, and therefore benefit the entire switchboard manufacturing industry in our country.
No, that's what in my application, software application, I have added the QA and testing parameters. Unless until it pass, it should not go to the next level actually.
Exactly.
So just to add to that, I first of all totally agree what Mr. Ramani says on the point of components used. So specifying the components used within the switchboard, I think that there again asking for the component specification to be met as a standard that is to be met, not the name, but ensuring or making sure that the person who is supplying that must have certified the product that he is selling to that switchboard to a particular standard. So that should be the norm, so that the ingredients are also taken care of.
Yes, very much true, very much true.
I want to call the attention of Dipesh. He is from Bharat Engineers. He is the only member from Kerala. He has recently become a member of this association, and he has got a lot of qualities of leadership. So I want him to add something to this meeting. Dipesh, you are there?
Yeah, I am here, sir. Can you hear me?
We are all hearing.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I'm new to Cosma. First of all, I am thanking to Sanjay sir to adding me in Cosma. I'm just hearing all these comments. Actually, it was I raised this point last cluster group because of this quality. If you are giving logo to Cosma logo to using everybody, the quality will be a problem. That anyway, I am happy to discuss in this cluster. I would say this is the best amazing ideas, and also I would suggest like in Kerala, particularly Kerala market, there is the consultants and the authority which are approving the panels. It's not that much concern in the quality process. So I would say first, in addition in that, we need to conduct seminar to them once our Cosma qualities or the points are approved and implemented, and also we need to give a seminar to them also, authorities also. Then only they would know about the Cosma quality points or auditing. I would say first this audit authority can visit all the members, so they can members factory, and they can identify what are to be improved, and from each and everybody what they should improve the points from the existing part. We are normally Bharat Engineering is a 2 crore as Sanjay sir said, that is just we started 2 years back. We have turnover on 2 crore only recently. So I am taking this positively, because once Cosma quality policies are implemented, we should also study and we should improve our quality to IEC level. We are also retail integrator. So we are following retail quality also. We are authorized integrator of retail. Actually, I could say we introduced retail mostly in Kerala. We conducting seminars. Now most of the consultants are going for retail, either retail or IEC standards here. That is very good thing for us here. So all the points are very good. I am supporting this. That's only for me for this time. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
And one more suggestion is there. Once auditing finished, we can give one quality sticker also from Cosma name. Quality tested or quality assured, something like that.
Certification.
One sticker in the panels.
Jatan bhai, you are not adding anything. Jatan bhai. Jatan Daria sahab. Are there or not?
Nikal gaya.
Yes, Anandji.
Anandji, Anamati is there. Anamati is also left or what? Is there? Anamati ji, please add.
Sudhir sir.
Yes, sir.
Banamati,
this is a very thought-provoking
points made by Mr. Anand.
Yes, no, let us go ahead, Banamati. Yes, sir.
Okay, the kind of discussion happening right now is a very thought-provoking, and there is a lot of homework that is to be done. When we are designing the quality, and we are quality and specifications are two different things that I have read and observed. You can achieve a supreme quality with the least of the specifications that is defined, and you can have a very moderate quality or a low quality product with the higher specifications. So the day that we draft the specifications, it should define what quality levels are permitted. And I concur to the point that industry experts or the product experts need to be heading this panel. We all look forward to implement these standards adopted by the cluster as a whole.
Yes. Anandji. Further.
Can I come in?
Yes, sir. Sudhir sir. Most welcome.
Yeah. See, I think today's agenda, what is said by Mr. Anand, was very good. And those were the points. However, we got ourselves diverted into the detailed discussion of quality and audit and other things. What we need to focus is on our agenda. what Mr. Anandji has said, and we need to discuss and elaborate more on that. That's what is my opinion.
I would like to second that. The formation of this group is, to my understanding, the way Anand sir had mentioned, is to share the workload that each of us have, so that the other builders, other members of the group can benefit out of this formation of the group. While we are talking about certifying ourselves who are the best people in manufacturing and who are rightfully to do so, we should also keep our focus on where we need to get work from. I mean, first, all of this is for us to get work for, right? So our motive should be so that we get more orders. That shouldn't be sidetracked.
Shakir, I think it's a chicken and egg story. You want more orders, and then you go behind orders. But the point is that unless you focus on quality, the orders will not follow. It's like you go behind orders, quality need not necessarily come behind you. But if you go behind quality, orders will search you out and come behind you. This is my belief.
Absolutely. Very well said, Ramani sir.
Perfectly said, sir.
We have to pull the people, not push.
Yes, final conclusion, President ji.
Final conclusion, it is left to Ramani.
Sanjay ji, one more point is there. In last point, Mr. Anandji said that people who has got the stock lying in their factory, okay, and they are not able to dispose. Yeah, inventory.
Yes.
So that can be, if some platform can be done, that is, now I've got 3 ACBs lying in my factory, okay, since last 4 months, 6 months, and maybe it may come or may not come in near future in my requirement. So I can list into that 3 ACBs are lying at my factory, and if somebody wants that, the price can be negotiated across the table or maybe by mails or whatever. So the thing is, if such platform can be done, because in lakhs of rupees material are going unnecessarily as a wastage or in a scrap, and people are losing a lot in that. So if, as far as Cosma is concerned, maybe according to me, in a year, almost 2, 2.5, 3 to 5 crores switchgear must be going as a waste. Maybe in a scrap, maybe after 2 years, 3 years, we are just going in the scrap because that requirement has not come. If some platform is made where people can go and see that which material is available with whom, and if he is interested, he can buy.
Rakesh sir,
It's a big amount of wastage we are doing in, because see, now I'll say I have got NKF MCCBs lying in my factory, almost 100 pieces. Okay, so those I was not able to dispose of at that time. And ultimately, it's a loss of maybe almost around, say, 3-4 lakhs rupees. So like that, so many losses are occurring. So this will be a good thing that people who require, then they can buy.
Inventory setting.
Sanjeev sir and Rakesh sir, along with Anand sir, we are coming with the software. Every panel manufacturer data will be there. Along with that, we can add a page over that, so that the inventory of individual manufacturer can be updated over that, and it will be seen by everyone. So that,
and other than the software, software to segregate the mix. Now Schneider, what is available, Siemens, what is available, L&T, what is available. Now in Connectual, what are the terminals available, something. So if that is there, so then unnecessarily, then it will be, because see, our manufacturers, they don't take the material back if once it is sold to us.
Very true.
So if something is available, we can save, we can save the money, and indirectly then credit goes to Cosma.
As the software is ready, we can update that and we can add this page also.
Yeah.
Sanjeev sir. So that will
It
be
is a low-hanging fruit. We can achieve this immediately by incorporating this feature in website.
As of now, we can create a group, and those who are having inventory, they can post it in the group.
I think, but then see, if it is a software, if it is a software, then just we can go on that whatever app or software, then we see in Schneider what is available, make-wise it will be, so that it is very easy to identify.
Sir, I will just interfere in between. Hello. I will just interfere. See, already I am going ahead with that software, okay, and the work is on, and that is on with Shakir, okay. That is a specialized software we are manufacturing for cluster, and in that one of the point is inventory what you are having. So it is already on. So whatever the specific, whatever suggestions definitely will take, but basic suggestion is we'll have to upload whatever you are having and whatever you want to give, and other side there is a person who wants it, immediately he will get connected and he will get the materials. All the liquidity will be there. So
Yeah, correct.
before purchasing, they will have to check at that Chaudi में बोल रहा है उसको Chaudi, वो नया सॉफ्टवेयर को नाम दिया है. That Chaudi you can go to that match and make pair, and in that pair you have to ask for that material and you will get that material wherever it is. So this is the basic software. Is one of the
Even
part
bus
of
bars also, like some size of bus bars are available. If we are not able to dispose it, if somebody
Shakir,
requires,
can you give us a little?
Shakir, please.
Yes, sir.
And one small suggestion. Please
bolo.
don't limit it to Cosma cluster.
Okay. No, it will not be limited to Cosma cluster. Okay, okay, agreed. Agreed. Shakir, please explain.
Yes, sir. So we've been having this discussion with Anand sir, and our background is, apart from doing panel building, we also have a team of over 15 members who are primarily into software development. And so with that as a team, we explained it to Anand, and Anand sir told us the requirements, that this is how the idea is. This is the primary motive of forming the Cosma cluster, and how we should all interact with each other for the benefit of each other. And it is a software platform that can be done for that benefit. So we offered him, we can do it for the sake of Cosma cluster, and it will be run as a service. And we already have a platform in our mind that we have used it for other members. So we thought, okay, we can leverage that same platform for the benefit of the Cosma cluster here. So with fine tuning it for, like how Anand sir mentioned, sharing of inventories or sharing of work among others, things like that. So here and there fine tuning can be done. But it is a service that can be offered as a, like, you know, people who understand software as a service. So it will be based on that model.
Yeah, super.
So it is work is already on.
Yeah,
Excellent.
yeah, very good, very good.
So Shakir, I would like to know whether in this you can also collate the purchase requirements of panel builders, and you know, like somebody wants a huge requirement of say Schneider material or CRCA sheet or wires or copper bus bar. Will there be a possibility that we can collate all this information and then you know, have a system of joint purchasing?
We can definitely think along those lines, sir. We will discuss that a little bit further. Collate as in, you would like to procuring of materials, or
Hey,
No,
like
jointly procurement.
I post it into the software, and it should be part of the Cosma India website, and each one similarly posts, and then there is a time frame. So within that time frame, if we are able to get about 10 people interested in buying say Schneider switchgear, then can we allow one person to negotiate with Schneider and get the best possible discount, and then you know, all the purchase commercial terms are routed through bank protected commercial terms.
yeah, that kind of a channel can be formed, mostly in terms of how we communicate and how we steer the communication among them. We can definitely fine tune it based on
Sorry,
Common buying, I think it seems difficult at this moment, sir. Ramani sir. Common buying is, suppose, for example, I want 1 crore, you want 2 crore, and Rakesh wants 3 crore material. So we have clubbed all the switch gears, okay? And then suppose we are asking some X persons to negotiate with them. But when they dispatch the material, they will know the identity of the panel builders again. So these big people will not allow us to do this basically.
Let us.
Ultimately, their interest. See, ultimately, their interest is also not protected.
Their interest.
And
And it won't be ethical also, I mean to say, actually.
No, they don't, any switchgear supplier, they don't entertain such activities.
Yeah, correct.
Anyway, we can think on this. It is not I'm discouraging not to have a common buying. At least common, so this thing, common infrastructure we can use, common consultant we can use, common powder coating facility we can use, common fabrication so we can use. So inventory sharing is the best immediate fruit we can have among ourselves, because everybody is this thing having that problem, inventory problem.
Nice, Sanjeevji, inventory, please. We have to go ahead, because every time it is very irritating to dispose of old inventories, and every time to check which inventory is available with us. So if we can dispose of easily, it will be a best idea. It will be a first good achievement, rather as far as the money point of view, where the people are monetary point of view, they are benefited.
For this, will is required here first. Will to dispose of is also required.
I'm ready. Give me the idea. I'm ready to dispose of my whatever material needs to list the material.
At present, you can use the WhatsApp group for display. I have so much stock in material. Whoever is interested, they will talk to you.
Because
sorry, there will be a software. There will be a software.
Software and all.
It's a better idea.
It is like a mirage. We will.
Because Sanjeevji, sometimes I am not able to refer my stock also. Sometimes on paper, sometimes I am not able to refer my stock, that which is available and which is not available. So if software is there, it is very easy.
Suppose high value items, 3-4 high value items, Not you have got some coils and etc. We need not think of those things. But high value, suppose you have 5000 ampere beacon with some different configuration. If you want to dispose it of, you can put it there. 1 or 2.
In the same group, in our Cosma group.
You can do that. It is made for that only, actually. Many people are using also. Many people are using it also to a certain extent. Not to a large extent, but certain extent people are using it.
Sometimes संजू जी आपने पूछा था थोड़ा मटेरियल है चाहिए तो ले लो करके.
Sanjeev bhai, there has to be a little order in which this is done. For instance, a buyer would need to know whether the packing is available. He would need to know whether there are any scratches on the product, which year of manufacturing it belongs to, so on and so forth. So if you just put it randomly into the WhatsApp group, it may not serve its purpose. Unless you give me all these details as a buyer, I would not be confident to buy. And an approximate expected price should also be mentioned.
For that you can have $1 to $1. Suppose ACB is there, the one who is in need, he will directly have a dialogue with that person, whether how old it is, which make, what configuration, how old, everything they will tell at what price he will buy, because all that dialogue cannot happen on WhatsApp group. Only the subject can be there in that.
But basic first information, what is available.
And the interested party will join them.
Mention one quick point here. Now WhatsApp is definitely. So I would like to add just one quick point here. Now WhatsApp, we have all been very much spoiled with WhatsApp, and it's very easy to communicate and get the answer quickly. But then the management of the data is not, WhatsApp is not the right platform. Today I might have an ACB, 1000 ACB, and then maybe it might disappear by end of the day. But that management that it is disappeared end of the day.
Yeah, correct.
So it is a one step in that direction. Start using software and all. It is a mirage at this present in this meeting. So at least one step you can immediately start using this.
Yeah.
Use it as a temporary solution.
Temporary. You can start. You need a 2.12 ampere bus bar. If somebody is having, you can start using like that.
What you can do, you can print it on an Excel sheet on a Google Drive. Give access to the Google Drive. That way you'll be able to see the data in the Excel form at any time you want, and anybody can upload or remove whatever you want.
Yes, Mr. Samiji, that is also a good system. Adding in the Google Drive, the Excel sheet, they can mention the condition also, whether it is a packed, unpacked, under warranty or warranty. So many things he can make all the columns, the respective, the material details. We can upload it in the Google Drive.
Filter also, you can see the number, make of that this thing in filter, and you can put the standard filter, then you get all standard material.
Yes.
So Google Drive immediately we can use.
Yes, immediately we can
It's a
go
good
ahead with the
idea.
Google Drive.
And it can be shared to all members also. So that is not a question.
Yes, yes.
Sharing is possible. Till the software, exam professional software is been made, this is the best idea.
Yes, yes.
So should we conclude this meeting with Sriram?
Yeah,
Shriram
thank
ji.
you very much, sir. Sir.
Sriram ji, हाँ.
So I am there, Handan. First of all, thank you, Sanjeev sir and Anand sir, for your brilliant ideas.
Yes.
I am very much sure that out of your 5 to 7 ideas, 3 to 4 ideas will come actually in place along with Cosma. And we have discussed a great in our deciding standard quality policy, then further taking it to the audit level and one by one. So as first of all, the committee, as you have said, along with Ramani sir, Desai sir, Zaveri sir, myself, we will again meet in some time and we will do first basic point so that we can take it to the further level. So we will start working on it along with Sanjeev sir, and then adding to the software, as you said, the Chowdi for the inventories, and one by one we will take it surely. So I think this lockdown period has given us a good time to think over all this, and we will surely come up with fruitful solutions for above. I think
more than that, lockdown has made a Cosma more stronger.
More stronger, more quality conscious, and take to the next level.
Come
that is very
closer,
sure.
all the members. That is very important.
Right, right. So,
So do
sir,
you
I
want to
think,
thank Corona or what?
Sir, we will be see you again on the next Sunday. But before that, we will take out the technical points, and we will share with Sanjeev sir, as he has said, for the quality, so that we can go further over it, or we will discuss that issues also, and we will try to come to some conclusion. So that will be the great idea.
Yes, yes.
Am I right,
Can we
Sanjeev sir?
shift the meeting schedules away from a Sunday, this timing on a Sunday, if we can have a Saturday evening or something, I don't know.
That is a flexible timing, not an issue, sir. No issue. If everyone is ready, we can change it to the evening, Saturday evening.
Or make it exact, like, because scheduling time becomes an issue. So like nowadays, I think we've become even more busy than normal. Normal time. So if we schedule a meeting, let's say even Sunday, if it's a bit earlier, we finish off so that we can be off with other things. Otherwise, it's taking 2 hours of 11 to 1 almost. It's going. So let's reschedule the time, maybe earlier Sunday morning or late Saturday evening.
Yes, Samir sir, generally in the weekdays, we have got all webinars. So the idea is that it should not intervene with that. So
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Saturday evening or early Sunday morning, because
we'll do.
What's happening is, we're busy all through the week, and it's really little unfair to the family. That's all.
Anand sir, just we will
I
change
will
the
discuss
timing.
and- yeah, I don't have any problem because total 21st, so that way we are free. So we'll
Right.
discuss and decide whatever is possible. So definitely
sir.
I will come back to you on the right timing on next time.
Right.
Meanwhile, should we conclude the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Had a great time with you all. Thanks a lot.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Bye.